Hi, welcome back to Therapy Designs. If you're new to this channel, my name is Kelly, and this channel is all about print on demand and Etsy. So if that is a subject that you are interested in, please hit like and subscribe and stick around. Okay, so in today's video, I'm doing another Etsy shop review. Now, this one I'm very excited about. So this one looks almost perfect. And this is a great example of a shop that has almost everything going right for it. So what I see here is printable planners and nursery art for first-time moms. It's got a very specific niche. The branding and imaging is all on point. It's cohesive. It's nice looking. And what I can tell that this person did is they used AI a lot. So this person leaned heavily on AI, it seems like, for everything. And if you're not a professional graphic designer, or you're not, somebody who has a lot of business experience, AI is a really beneficial tool. It can really level the playing field. And especially if you're new to all of this, it is a tool you definitely want to start playing with and figuring out how to use, because it can really, really help you. So, I mean, this looks beautiful. This looks beautiful. They have only been on Etsy for 4 months, so brand new. We've got, 3 5-star reviews, 10 sales in 4 months. So again, that is a normal start. So anybody who's starting and doesn't feel like they have a lot of sales, normal start. It starts slow, okay? They have 55 listings. They have their featured items section. And so what I see is Safari name stuff. We've got nursery decor, nursery wall art, kids activity printables, new moms, new dads. Okay. But as I can scroll down, everything looks real professional, right? That all looks just really nice and professional. I see some, 5-star reviews. This all looks, again, really nice here. We've got Pinterest, shop website, Instagram, thing about the owner. So this is already just a really good, thorough job that this person has managed to do in only 4 months. So let's just go ahead and open one of these, right? 11 views in the last 24 hours, so it's already doing good. They've got a sale going. This one is no phone summer activity pack, screen fee, free kids workbook, summer boredom buster, printable. Okay, printable is right there. So it's a digital download, right? Cool. And very, nice looking mock-ups. So very good mock-ups, shows what's included. That's a little wordy for me, but all of these mock-ups look really professional. And anytime something looks really professional, it makes people want to buy it because they trust it, right? And, keep kids happy, bust busy and off screens all summer. 25 educational screen-free activities. So what this is also is very well marketed. So not only have they come up with a good niche, and have they obviously made all of the mock-ups and everything look professional, but they've also done a very good job of marketing this. So they've got marketing in their images, right? It's not just here's a picture of my book or here's a picture of these pages. It is telling you why you want to buy these pages. What problem are you solving? You've got bored kids during the summer. Well, this is going to solve the problem. So this is good marketing. Instant download, print and use today, again, builds habits, boosts creativity, makes lasting memories, print at home, all very professional. And again, unless this person is a professional graphic designer or professional, marketer, this was probably all done with AI. Is probably how to use the workbook. I mean, why parents love this. Again, so they've done a lot of marketing. So I would click on this and be like, oh, yes, I want to buy this for my kid because this looks pretty cool, right? I like this. No prep, nature, sell printable workbook. You've got other ones, bundles, right? So they recommended a bundle here. I can come down here. We've got a really good description section, what's included, why parents love this, perfect for ages, printable, instant download. So right now, this all looks really good, right? And so that's just the very first one. Let's go to the next one. We got a Safari Animal Alphabet printable bundle, right? Baby animal, wall art, nursery decor, posters, playroom, print set. Okay, so again, we've got something that's a PDF, but we've got all 26 alphabet animal posters, right? And as I come down here, it's giving me examples, and these are great lifestyle mock-ups. So they're not just showing you the poster, but they're showing you the poster on a wall. So it's a good lifestyle look right there. It's all very consistent, right? We've got some close-ups, which is beautiful. And then we've got, homeschool, playroom, kind of marketing sort of look to it. I've jumped ahead. How to use this bundle, right? So giving you some different ideas to go with it. Again, great marketing. Make homeschool learning fun. Printable wall art size guide. Okay. So my only comment about all of these is that they're not consistent in terms of orientation. Right? So they're not all square or rectangle. They're not all horizontal or vertical. So they kind of jump all over the place in terms of orientation. And depending on what kind of screen you're looking at this on, it may not show up the best. So it's going to kind of crop the images differently, whether you're on a phone or a computer or a tablet. And so I like to try to be as consistent as I can in terms of the proportions of my images. And so these do kind of jump around a little bit, but beyond that, very good, right? Here's a square one. Perfect for, right? Nursery wall art, home learning, toddler, playrooms. I mean, that's all very good. You've got a ton of mock-ups, right? So really put a lot of effort into creating all of these. So this must have been very time consuming too. And very good, fun, engaging. Again, down to our description here, what you'll receive, features, perfect for. These are all spaced nicely so that it doesn't look like one clump. We've got our little icons here to kind of just catch the eye. So the way that this looks is this all looks really good, right? Super love this. Come down here. We've got more from the shop. All of the more from the shop looks professional. I really like this. And as you come down and you say, you may also like, and it shows you your competitors, you'd say, does yours line up with the competitors? Does yours look just as nice? And I'm going to say, after looking at the competitors, yes, yours does look just as nice. And so great shops. Keep coming down here. Very clearly, it's a digital download, so that's all labeled. So lots of digital download stuff, wall art. So all of these are digital downloads, but they're all very beautiful. So I'm going to make my normal comment when it comes to digital downloads is how much profit are you going to get off of these, right? This one's more expensive, obviously, but some of these you might only get $1 or $2 profit, especially like some of the cheaper ones might only get $1 or $2 profit. Here you might get a little bit more. Depends how much Etsy takes, right? Depends on how much you're spending on advertising. But you got to think about what kind of income you want and whether you're getting enough sales per month to make the kind of income that you want. So those are things to consider. But this one does a good job of at least having some more expensive items. So like here's one that's $11.82 versus one that's $3.93. So you've got a good variety in terms of prices, in terms of cheaper items and more expensive items. And again, everything looks super professional. Everything that I'm looking at looks like it comes from the same shop. The only thing that kind of looks different is this Easter one, just because Easter doesn't really go necessarily with the safari animal nursery art. So this one's a cool one. It just doesn't necessarily look like it goes with the shop. Now, what you can do is change the order that these show up in. So you can rearrange the order, and you could just take that one and put it on a second page. So sometimes I'll go through and I'll reorder my stuff so that my best stuff is on page 1, and things that maybe I don't care as much about or don't really go are on like the last page. But these are all little things. This shop, I think, has a ton of potential. So honestly, it's only 4 months in. If they keep going this way and they keep, adding more listings, I think that this shop is going to do very well. Now, will it make the kind of money that the owner wants? I don't know, because I don't know what the goals are in terms of income. And, if you want to have a higher income, you may need to sell more expensive products. And so those are just things to think about. Cheaper products you have to sell a lot more of to make, obviously, a good income. More expensive things you have to sell a lot less. So, you can kind of weigh those. But I was just really impressed with the shop, and I've had so many shops where they'll have the same issues over and over again. And I was just super impressed with how nice this shop was. They even have a little video summary here, marketed well. And of course, here we go. We've got Pinterest, shop website, Instagram. If I go to the shop website, this was a little bit of a thing. Your connection is not private, so I couldn't get onto their shop website. Pinterest. We did have a Pinterest. Okay, and that again looked really professional. I liked the way that looked. That looked great. And we've got, gifts for new dads, printable preschool worksheets, safari nursery ideas. So we've got some great boards here. And so I think the Pinterest is going to really work out for them. We've already got 7,000 monthly views, which is a great start. So especially since this is such a new shop, this person has just done such a tremendous amount of work in such a short period of time that I'm very impressed. Got an Instagram page here too. Let's see. This one's just getting started. So we've got 2 posts up, but again, they look super nice. We've got our link here. That looks good. So this is one that I think is definitely on the right track, and I expect this one to do very well if they keep at it and stay patient. This one a year from now, 2 years from now, might be a really good, really profitable shop. But keep in mind that these things do just take time and work. But this person has put in, obviously, a lot of time and a lot of work and really, utilized AI to their advantage. And so this is one I just wanted to show you guys so you could see an example of something that somebody is doing really right. Kudos to this person. If you have any comments or questions, put it in the comment section below. I do read all the comments. Thank you so much for all of your kind words. If you'd like me to take a look at your shop, you can always email me a link to your shop. My email is in the description below every video, and I'll get you added to my list. The list is a little bit long right now, so it may take me a while to get to you, but I will get to you. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're continuing to learn new skills and grow your portfolio. And I do hope to see you guys again. That's it for today's video. If you found that useful and would like to see more videos with helpful tips and tricks, be sure to hit like and subscribe. And turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of the weekly videos. As always, keep growing and stay creative. And we'll see you next time.